name is Reshna and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be decluttering my entire closet Marie Kondo style. So if you guys don't know who Marie Kondo is, basically she is a person who likes to clean up. I don't know how to describe it. She has written many books on how to live like a clean, systematic life, how to clean out your house, your wardrobe, everything basically. So I'm going to apply her method, which is called the KonMari method, to my wardrobe, and hopefully we will be able to declutter all the things that don't spark joy in my life or in my wardrobe. I just want to say a few things, that this declutter is only going to be for my Western clothing wardrobe. So this will not be a declutter of my ethnic wardrobe, and also this will not include pajamas and lingerie. Also guys, I just randomly decided to shoot it. That's why you guys see this very bare minimum makeup. So yeah, it's like a Sunday evening and I just thought, okay, I'm gonna start filming this video. So wish me luck guys, and without any further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so this is what my wardrobe looks like currently. So this is one of my wardrobes that I have in my room. So this wardrobe, I like to store all my clothes that I wear on an everyday basis. This is like 4 rows of clothes. So there's 1, 2, 3 and 4, and also like random things. Like you guys can see and understand why I need to declutter my wardrobe. Now I do have another wardrobe and it's a much bigger wardrobe which has all my jackets, outerwear, special occasion clothing and everything like that. But right now I'm not going to show you guys that, only because I am changing a few things and a lot of you guys keep asking me for a closet tour. I think after I'm done decluttering and arranging my bigger wardrobe and this one, maybe after that I'll show you guys. So yeah, let's just declutter it first and then we'll see what to do. So guys, according to Marie Kondo, the best way to declutter your wardrobe, the first step is to take out every possible thing from your wardrobe. So that's what I'm going to do. Wish me luck. I need all the possible luck in this, so wish me luck guys. Okay guys, so after spending like a solid 20 minutes taking everything out of my wardrobe, I have almost everything. Obviously some things are, you know, in laundry or, you know, it's somewhere else, so maybe I can't take those out, but everything that was in my wardrobe, I have taken them out. And oh my god, I'm sweating even though the air conditioning is on. Another main reason for me to do this declutter is because I know there are so many pieces in my wardrobe that I'm not going to use anymore. So at least I can get rid of those so I can have a new home for these new babies. Okay guys, so I just decided to tie my hair up because I just couldn't deal with it. It was getting so hot. Marie Kondo is really famous for her spark joy phrase, and basically what that means is she highly encourages us that whenever we are decluttering our clothes or our wardrobe, that we just, you know, just pick up the piece of clothing that we are going to assess whether we want to keep it or not, and just touch it and see if it sparks joy in you. Like if it makes you feel happy, that means that you want to keep it, and if it doesn't spark joy in you, that means you don't want to keep it and you just throw it away. So these are these track pants from Bewakoof Official. So I think one of my very earliest, like almost my first Instagram collaboration was with Bewakoof Official, and they sent me these track pants. Like I chose these track pants with another t-shirt and a dress. Like I love these track pants, don't get me wrong, but it's just that it's really like a very thick bottom for me to wear in Chennai, unfortunately. Thank you, Black Cardigan. I love you so much. Even though I didn't really have a lot of use for you, but you did spark a lot of joy in my life. So thank you, and I'm just gonna gently throw it away. So I'm just going to keep repeating the process, and I guess I'll see you guys midway. So I have managed to do the first draft of my sorting. So this is what the first draft looks like. This is the side that I have decided to keep. So these are all the pieces of clothing that I'm going to keep. And then this small little pile right here, this is the one that is going to go away. I feel so ashamed to admit this, but maybe, you know, I just bought it for Instagram or for the video, and I really should not do that. That is such a bad habit. So yeah, I'm gonna go through this one all over again, and I'm gonna start sorting them according to category. So basically jeans, skirt, tops, party wear. I've been at this for 1 hour and I feel like it's going to take another hour to complete this.
6.5 hours later.
So I've tried my best to sort these out. So I'm going to quickly show you guys. So this pile right here has all of my tops and obviously is the biggest pile. So this pile right here is the dresses pile. This is my jeans pile. Right back over here is my jacket pile. Again, one of those things, I don't know why I have so many freaking jackets, because honestly I hardly get to wear them. There are like a few thicker jackets, but again I've decided to keep them because they are super versatile and they are like super good quality, so they will last me very, very, very long. So this is that pile. This is my skirts and shorts pile. Last but not the least, this small pile right here is the trousers pile. So guys, after that sorting out, now it's time for the final job, which is to fold all of them and categorize them and keep them in their respective wardrobes. Now when it comes to this folding method, I'm not going to use the Marie Kondo method of folding because she likes to do this, you know, like a cylindrical fold, but again I'm not going to store them in a drawer, so there's no point for me to do that cylindrical fold because that will just confuse me a lot more when I'm trying to get something out. So yeah, I will see you guys after I folded them. So bye guys. Okay guys, so this is the pile that is going to be donated and everything. So yeah, I ended up actually taking a lot of clothes that I don't feel like I'm gonna wear anytime soon or ever after this. Now I would just like to say like a little bit of my observation. I just noticed that most of the clothes are definitely stuff that I bought from street shopping. So that just kind of tells me that, you know, I shouldn't really shop from street shopping shops much personally. So anyway, obviously I'm not going to leave the pile like this. I'm going to fold them all up, put them in bags and just keep them so that whenever charity comes to my house, or maybe I'll contact a few charities and hopefully I'll be able to donate. Now I'll show you guys what one of my wardrobe looks like. So yeah, let's go. And ta-da! This is what the wardrobe looks like right now. So yeah, basically I ended up hanging a few of my jackets over here, and in the last two I have hung two of my faux leather skirts because I realized that because I was folding my leather skirts up, you know, the creases were not uncreasing, and I just don't know how to iron faux leather skirts. I mean, obviously I don't think you can really iron them, so I've decided to hang these two here. Look at the ridiculous amount of plain white t-shirts I have, like white t-shirt number 1, white t-shirt number 2, then there's a cropped one, so 3, then there's 4, and we've got 5, 6, 7. Oh my god, that's a ridiculous amount of plain white t-shirts to have. I again have the 4-row system, so there's row number 1, row number 2, there's row number 3 right at the back, and there's row number 4. So these are basically all the tops. Well, almost 80% of the tops I own right here, so I've just kept them, just the tops. I am really happy with this. So thanks guys for watching. So guys, that brings me to the end of this video. I mean, look at my face. I am so tired right now. It took me more than 3 hours to sort out this whole wardrobe situation. I hope that it wasn't boring. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, and give this video a huge thumbs up if you guys liked it, and also comment down below like anything, I don't know. And yeah, hit that bell notification so that you guys are notified every single time I upload a new video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.